Pumunta kami sa Singapore last few years ago, and they are the best in being honest and being clean. Talagang sobrang clean and honest ng mga tao sa Singapore. Wala akong nakita na kahit na isa na nagsisinungaling doon. Not only that, the place is amazing. Naikot ko yata lahat ng kanilang mga trend at mga lugar. And it is a small place sa Singapore. And you will be amazed. Talaga naman, pag tinanong mo sila ng isang bagay, and they will tell you everything that they know related to that with trust. And not only that, namangha ako doon sa mga 60 years old and above na nagtatrabaho sa restaurant, sometimes 70 years old, 80 years old. Ay, grabe talaga. As in, mas gusto pa nila na magtrabaho sa labas at kesa magstay sa loob ng bahay. Kasi alam mo, ang dahilan nila kung ano, ang sabi nila ganito, my parents will feel better and not sick if they will go out of the house. If they will stay here, they will be sick. They are so happy doing what they do outside the house instead of staying inside the house. So, we let them do that. So, talagang magandang lesson ito sa lahat ng mga Filipinos out there, everyone who's there. Let our parents do what they want. If they will be happy, let them do it. We do know that we care about them. Alam natin na baka mapagod sila, masaktan sila. But if they are inside the house, like the scene, they will feel more sick. And kapag nasa labas sila, mas maraming titingin sa kanila at mag-iingat. Sa mga trend, alam mo, tumatayo yung mga taong mga bata, no? Pinapaupo sila. They have the specific place for them to sit. And that specific place for them to sit is given to them honestly talaga. Kaya super yung experience ko sa Singapore. Kahit na pumunta ka pa sa Sentosa or sa mga lugar, they will really, really help you with full hearts. Thank you very much, Singapore, for a very nice experience.